Welcome to this guided meditation for self-love. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax without distractions. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with calm and peace. Slowly exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress. Begin by bringing your attention to your heart center. Imagine a warm, glowing light radiating from this space, expanding with each breath you take. This light symbolizes your inner love and worth, and as it grows, it envelops your entire being in warmth and compassion. Repeat these affirmations silently or aloud, allowing their meaning to resonate deeply within you. I am worthy of love and respect. I embrace my true self with compassion and kindness. I accept and cherish every part of who I am. I am deserving of all the love and happiness life has to offer. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize this loving light surrounding you like a gentle embrace. Feel it soothing any self-doubt or negativity, replacing them with a profound sense of acceptance and inner peace. Now, picture yourself standing in front of a mirror. As you look into your own eyes, smile gently and repeat, I love and appreciate myself just as I am. Notice how this simple act of self-affirmation fills you with a sense of joy and acceptance. Allow this feeling of self-love to deepen with each breath, letting it settle into every part of your being. Embrace this sense of worthiness and compassion, knowing it is always within you. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Open your eyes, carrying this nurturing love with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this meditation. May you continue to honor and love yourself always. If you enjoyed this meditation, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more guided meditations to help you grow in mindfulness and self-love.